Super Andrew 418.
You two poop. Where there's smoke, they pinch back.
Have we got a Wii U?
He's lying! It's a scam! Don't...
What are you doing?
I'm sorry, go on.
Stop it! So long ago that there weren't any cars or fried chickens or
Frenchy fries.
Milk!
There were mostly just
Poop.
especially around Dave's house, because Dave was a
Orange Bird.
when their dad Jesse came running out with some horrible news.
Slide to the left. Slide to the right.
Hey, Dave!
Where do you think you're going?
It's very nice that you want to help, but the country is a thing. You're a
Orange Bird.
things do people and things do people, so stay with the
Poop.
Gee, it sure is boring around here.
My boy, this peace is what all true warriors strive for.
I just wonder what Ganon's up to. Your Majesty, Ganon and his minions have seized the island of Korodai.
How can we help?
It is written, only Link can defeat Ganon. Great! I'll grab my stuff! There is no time. Your sword is enough. Squadala! We are off!
Derp Orange Birds.
You are Toaster Evans!
This is me at the airport. This is my Aunt Ruth. This is me at a bullfight. This is me fighting the bull.
And the next day, for
418 Orange Bird.
days. Well, Dave knew exactly what he had to do, so he went straight to King
Orange Bird.
and announced his plan. So,
That's disgusting!
I'm sus. My ears must be sus.
Oh, I am a dummy.
Dummy?
You are not a dummy. You are a dummy.
Trash! No, we fuff.
It's shut up.
Everybody do the flop!
And that's the story of
Derp Orange Bird. Orange Bird.
who did our thing.
He was feeling bad because his brothers were...
Orange Bird.
Well, that's just terrible.